If you are wondering if we have bypass charging available on POCO X8 Pro Max, then the answer seems to be yes, at least according to some sources on the internet. So I couldn't actually find the bypass charging option. Usually it is available in the game turbo panel somewhere over here, but in this case there is nothing in here. And sometimes you can find it in battery settings. So let's say if I go to settings, let me close this. If I go to settings and then go to battery settings over here, and if I choose, let's say, charging options over here, there is nothing that is related to bypass charging. And battery protection, there's nothing in here. And in additional features, also there is nothing in here. And technically, you should be able to use bypass charging if you set up the battery protection. So if you charge your phone to 80% and then use the external battery, then you should be able to use it as a bypass charger. Although I cannot truly confirm if that is the case, but apparently this is how it works with POCO smartphones that do actually support some form of bypass charging. Whether it is actually a true bypass charging feature, it's very hard to tell. But apparently this is how we can use bypass charger on this phone. Also, just let me quickly check search over here, and let's type battery over here in order to see maybe something like bypass maybe instead of battery. Let's see if we have something. No, there's nothing over here. We can also type charge. No, nothing in here. So as you can see, there is no option which we can use to enable bypass charger or anything like that. So I can assume that it works with the battery protection option in battery settings. Leave a like and subscribe.